Hello everybody, welcome again in this short presentation. So in this short presentation, I would like to present or to shed light on the different idioms of the German language that we can use with that you can use with the parts of the human body. So with the sense that I try just to give you a short idea how the German idioms are. And the first thing I would like to start with, I have to mention that we have divided this presentation into four main parts. As you can see here, the first part will be about the parts of the body that we will discuss in this short presentation. The second part is the use of this part within the idiom or within the German sentence. As we will see that we will try to illustrate or to shed light on some example of that. The third part is the meaning. We will try here just to explain the meaning of the presented idiom or the so-called Redewendungen. The third part is an example. So I will try here to provide an example for the presented idioms in order to see or to present it more clearly. Let's get started. So the first thing we'd like to start with here is we'll try here to present briefly different parts of the human body that this will be discussed within the audience, and let's get started with this list as you can see here in the picture. So the first one is die Nase, as you can see here in the picture. The second one is der Bauch. The third one is das Auge. The next one is das Gesicht. The next one is der Mund. The next one is der Kopf. The next one is der Hals. The next one is das Ohr. And the next, before the last one, we see here das Herz, as you can see here in the picture, and the last one is the hand. So we'll try here to provide, as I have said before, some idioms in which we can use these parts of the body that we have in the German language. Let's get started. The first one, as I have mentioned before, is die Nase. And the idiom that we'll present or discuss here is the following idiom. Die Nase hochtragen. I repeat, die Nase hochtragen. Let's try to illustrate or to explain the meaning of this idiom that we use within the German language. So, which means that if someone is arrogant, so you can use this idiom or the so-called Redewendungen. So, for example, is something as you can see here in the following example. So, sie trägt ihre Nase hoch. Sie trägt ihre Nase hoch means that she is arrogant. The next idiom or the idiom number 2 is der Bauch. Der Bauch. Die Schmetterlinge im Bauch haben. Die Schmetterlinge im Bauch haben. Which means that someone feels in love. If you love someone, or you are in love with something, so you can use this expression. And especially we use this expression if a boy loves a girl, for example, as you can see here in the following example, or as you can see here in this picture that you see. Hat Schmetterlinge im Bauch. It means he is falling in love, or he feels in love. The next one is das Auge. Das Auge. Das Auge means, as you can see here, this idiom, mit einem blauen Auge davon kommen, means that you are lucky. For example, if someone had an accident, so he is saved from this accident, so we can use this expression or this idiom in the German language, as you can see here. So, das Mädchen ist von dem Unfall mit einem blauen Auge gekommen. It means that the girl was saved from the accident. She was lucky, just lucky, and not a big damage. The next one is der Mund. Der Mund. And the idiom that we discuss here is sich den Mund verbrennen, which means that you say something wrong or careless without thinking, just talking and without thinking of the consequence. Let's have a look at the. Let's have a look before that. So we'll try to provide an example here, as you can see here. Sie verbrennt sich immer den Mund. Sie verbrennt sich immer den Mund. He always says things without thinking on the results. That's as I explained before. The next one is der Kopf. Der Kopf, as you can see here. So the discussed idiom is den Kopf in den Sand stecken. It means to avoid facing problems or try to escape from problems. And you can, as you can see here in the following example, steckt seinen Kopf in den Sand means he avoids facing problems and and be courageous to face one's own problem. The next one is the Hals, as you can see here in the picture. The Hals. This expression. The Hals. This expression can be used within the German language to say that you are wishing or hoping someone a good luck, as you can see here. So you can just say Hals und Beinbruch means effort or good luck. Good luck, Peter. I wrote down here. The next part of the body is das Ohr. Das Ohr, as you can see here in the picture. We can use it within the following example, following idiom, as you can see here. Bis über die Ohren in der Arbeit stecken. It means you have many things to do, you have much work, and so on and so on. And as you can see here in the following example, bis über die Ohren in der Arbeit stecken means viel Arbeit haben, much work, and so on and so on. The next one is das Herz. So it's the most important part of the human body is das Herz, the heart. And we can use this expression, for example, Hand auf das Herz. If you are talking, for example, with someone, you can use this expression. You can use this expression to say to ask someone to say the truth and to swear or to say the truth. As you can see here in the following example. So it's just asking someone to be honest and say the truth, as you can understand from the picture that I have provided here. The next one and the last one, I think, is die Hand. Die Hand. Which can means that if you have a look at the following idiom, that's number 10, the following idiom. So freie Hand haben means that you are free, you can do what you want, you are not obliged to do something else, just you are free, you can do anything what you want. As we can understand for the following example, ich habe eine freie Hand means that you are free, you can just do what you want. So in the next video, I will try to provide other parts of the human body in order to discuss it and to present. I think it's enough now to discuss just these 10 idioms that we will see, and I promise you that I will continue discussing the German idioms or the so-called Redewendungen in the next videos in order to give you more, to enhance or to improve our vocabulary in German language. I can just say at the end of this video, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video, and we'll learn other things in German. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Thank you.